Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I've got a quick tip for you about your glue gun. Have you ever tried to put the glue stick in and all of a sudden you're gluing and it falls out? Well, I have a quick tip that'll keep that from happening to you. I'm going to show you how right now. One of the things that can happen when you're using your glue gun, especially if you're using those long sticks like I normally use, is that you go to glue and this falls out. It's happened to me time and time again when I'm working with big groups. So one of my assistants actually came up with this idea, which is as your glue starts to get to that point where it's going to need another stick, take your glue stick, the new one that you're going to put in, and touch the tip of the glue gun to the stick so that you melt that end just a tiny bit. Then feed it in, making sure not to get it caught up on the sides, and just touch it to the existing stick. And there you go. And then that will make it stay so that it's not going to come out when you're gluing. The one thing that you do want to make sure is that you want to make sure that it lines up right with the glue stick that's already in there so that you're making sure that it gets into the feeder tube. But that is going to make sure that it goes straight on through and doesn't come slipping out the back. And there you have it. A little dab will do ya. And that makes sure that your stick stays stuck. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. We've got lots of quick tips and lots of crafting for you. And make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.